right, so the eighth, I think it's the eighth step, is to be sure to remove the O2 sensor. Be careful with this thing. These things are expensive, so when we remove it, we have to be careful. I'm gonna use a 17-inch wrench to loosen the bolt here. And another thing you have to be careful is do not stick your dirty hands, or wash them first, into the O2 sensor. Okay, so I have prepared a bag here, so when I remove it, I'll place it in here. It's a vacuum bag with the rest of the stuff, so we don't break it. So here, let's see. Okay, all right, so okay, see, this sends the O2 into the oxygen or the gas that comes out into here, and tells the computer how much air is coming out and all that kind of stuff. So just gonna put it here for the meantime, make sure it stays safe and it stays clean. Okay, so in the meantime, there you go, safe. All right, so the removal is done, it's complete.